Namaskar everyone, I am Ram Biradar from Azurite classes. So now today we will be studying the division topic and understand what it means in detail. So does everyone know the division? Tell me. Yes? Okay. Good. Very good. Yes. So what do you mean by repeated subtraction? Let us understand with the example. Okay. So if you see here is her name is Rama. What's her name? Yes, her name is Rama and his name is Ram and she is Tina. Okay, there are three friends are there. So total how many chocolates are there? 12 chocolates are there. So how many chocolates each one will get? Tell me. Yes, how many chocolates will each one get? Yes, four chocolates. Four chocolates. Yes, this one group to her, this group to him, and this group to her. Okay, so they will get everyone four chocolates, isn't it? So what are we doing? We are doing minus. That is, first we subtracted from 12 chocolates. We first subtracted 4. So 12 minus 4 will be how much? 8. Yes, we've subtracted first 4, and after that from 8 chocolates again we gave 4 chocolates, so remaining is 4, and after that from 4 we gave last to Tina, right? We gave the last chocolates to Tina, so there will be nothing remaining, so 0. So how many times did we subtract? 3 times. How many times did we subtract repeatedly? 3 times, isn't it? So that is, we are doing the repeated subtraction. That is the same thing we are subtracting. 4 we are subtracting. If you subtract how many times? 3 times. The 4, that is 12 chocolates will be over, isn't it? So this is how many times we are doing repetition. If there were 100 chocolates and if you have to give 2 chocolates, how many times can you do? Yes, you can do 50 times, because 50 into 2 is 100. 50 times you can give. If you keep on calculating like that, it will take lots of time. So what we have to do? Yes, that is, from 100 if you subtract 2, it will get 92, and then from that you have to take out 2, like that it will go. So it is repeating, right? This process of repeating is division. What it is? This is division. To simplify this subtraction, we have invented division. Everything whatever you do in the calculation, it is just to simplify the addition and simplify the division, and upon these we have what evolved into new concepts, isn't it? If you take the example I will give, if you multiply the same thing, that is, if you add the same thing 3, that is 4 times, how do you write? You write 4 into 3, so that is 3 times 4, right? How much? 4 times 3. Here 4 times 3 is there. Now if you multiply the same thing how many times? If you multiply same thing, that is 3 4 times, how do we write? We write it as 3 power 4. We invented the power notation, isn't it? That is how the concepts are built, to make it easy, to make it easy, isn't it? To make it easy, isn't it? So like that, division is also in mathematics. If you take any concept, it is basic. If you go in depth, it is basic addition or subtraction only. To just simplify and to make it faster, we have invented everything, that is addition, that is multiplication, then division, everything. Understand? So if you take this power notation to find the power, then what we did? We found the logarithm, right? Logarithm is reverse of the power, right? Those are all concepts will be coming next, everything, right? So that is how the concepts will be built. So here division is repeated subtraction. How many times we can subtract completely? Okay, so how do we represent it? Here 12 divided by 4, we are repeatedly subtracting how much? 4. So 12 divided by 4, or you can write it as 12 divided by 4. This is the division symbol. What it is? This is the division symbol. Okay, this is division symbol, or you can also write it in what? This form, that is 12 divided by 4. Okay, so we say it as 12 by 4, 12 divided by 4, how much ever you can read it. So this is how we subtract, that is divide. Okay, so how do we read? That is 12 by 4 or 12 divided by 4, whatever, both are fine. Okay, so this is how we read it. Understood what you mean by division? That is how many times we can subtract, how many times we can subtract completely, that is the division. Okay, understood? Good. So if I take the example here, 30 divided by 15 is there. So from 30, first if I subtract 15, how much will be remaining? 15. Yes, 30 minus 15 is 15. Again if I subtract 15, how much will be remaining? 0. So how many times we are subtracting? 2 times, isn't it? So here 30 divided by 15 will be how much? 2, isn't it? That is, we know 15 ones are 15, 15 twos is 30. So that is 2 times. We can subtract 15 2 times. That is the answer. Understood? Or division is equal sharing. Division is also equal sharing. What? Equal sharing. Here if you see, everyone got 4 chocolates. Rama got 4, Ram got 4, Tina got 4. Everyone got 4. Equal sharing or what? Equal division. Equal sharing or equal division. Equal dividing, right? So that is equal parts. Equal sharing or equal parts. Understand? So that is both are same. So division is equal dividing, equally sharing, like that, isn't it? Everyone got 4 same, equal. Yes, like that. Understood? Okay, good. So this is what is division. So division is equal sharing or how many times we can subtract, that is repeated subtraction. Okay, good. So here 20 divided by 4 is there. For 20 divided by 4, what will be the answer? Tell me here. How many times we can subtract 5 from 20? Or how many parts? 5 times. 4 times, beta. 4 times. 5 how many is? 5 4s are 20, isn't it? So I am doing directly. Or you can do it like this also. 20 minus 5, 15. 15 minus how much? 5, 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. 5 minus 5 is 0. So how many times we subtracted? 4 times. That is 5 4s are 20. So answer will be how much here? Yes, 20. That is 4. 5 4s are 20. So 4 will be the answer here. Got it? What do you mean by division? So it is equal sharing or what? Repeated subtraction. How many times we can subtract here? So that is equal sharing or equal parts or how many times we can repeatedly subtract it. That is division. Understand? Okay, good. So we have already what? Studied the division, direct division. I have taught you, isn't it? Yes. So today we will practice. Okay, today we will practice. These are easy questions. I will be what? Asking roll number wise. Okay, so you have to tell me. Understand? Okay, so roll number 1, Pratik. Okay, so here roll number 1 and then what? Roll number 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so write down the questions and be ready with the answers. Okay, I will give 1 minute now. Write down the questions, be ready with the answers, and I will ask you. Okay, yes, roll number 5 till roll number 5. Okay, good. Next. Good. Good. Very good. Very good. So explain these two questions. How did you do? 20 by 5. Yes, 5 4s are 20. Very good. Next question. How did you do? Okay, good. So 5 9s you should read it as, it will be easy. Okay, 5 9s are good. Next is rule number 2. Rule number 2. वेदांत. हाँ. हम्म. हाँ. हाँ, full one line for one person. Okay. हाँ. So Vedant, yes, tell me the answer. Hmm. Hmm. Next. Hmm. 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 Very good. So explain this to how did you do? Next question. Very good. Okay. Good. Next, roll number 3. Arya. Vardhan. Arya. I am calling last time. Arya. Okay. Next, roll number 4. Rishika. Tell the answer, beta. Hmm. Hmm. Good. Hmm. Hmm. Very good. So explain these two questions. How did you do? 8 8 is 64. So answer will be 6 and 8. Very good. Next, rule number 5. Rule number 5. Lochan. Arohi best. Arohi. Good. So answer will be 9. Next. Hmm. Very good. Hmm. Very good. So that is we have to divide. So explain. That is you already told the how explained, right? So 9 8s are 72, isn't it? Very good. 9 6 are 54. That is the answer. Understand? Very good. So next we'll go to the question that is from roll number 6. Okay. So roll number 6 we have to do till 10. 6 7 8 9 and 10. Okay. Yes. Roll number 6 and till 7. Take 1 minute. Be ready. Okay. So Lochin, tell me. 11. Hmm. 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 That is the answer, right? Very good. So explain these two questions. That is, how did you do? 11 8s are, right? Next, 11 how many is 110? 11 10s are. Okay. Good. Good. Next, roll number 7. Pratiksha. Tell the answers. Hmm. 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 12 nines beta. 12 nines is 108. 12 8s is 96. How much? 12 8s is 96. Okay. Very good. So this is how what you have to do. You have to divide. Okay. Good. Next, roll number 8. Surabhi. 8. Surabhi. I am calling last time. Yes. Tell the answers. Hmm. Good. Next. Hmm. Okay. Very good. So explain these two questions. How did you do? These underline two. 13 how many is? Hmm. Yes, that is why the answers, right? Very good. Okay, next roll number Next roll number 9. Switch on the mic. 9. Samanvita, you. Tell the answers. Next. Hmm. 12, 112. Very good. So this is how what you have to do. You have to divide. Okay, good. Next roll number 10. Tell the answers. Okay. Good. Okay, good. So explain how did you do these two questions? Okay, very good. So this is how we have to divide. Understand? Yes, good. So next questions. Okay, that is we missed here something, right? So if you go here, so see here 100 divided by 10. If there is a 0, we have to cancel the 0 first. What we have to do? We have to cancel the 0 in the numerator and the denominator. If there is no 0 in the denominator, that is numerator, don't cancel it. Okay, it will be in decimal. I will tell that. So here 1 0 cancel, here 1 0 cancel. So answer will be directly 10, or you can directly do it as 10 tens are 100, isn't it? Or 10 nines are how much? 90. So 0 0 if you cancel, it will be 9 remaining. 9 answer directly. Here 30 divided by 10 is there. What will be the answer? Yes, 3, right? So next question is how much? That is 60 divided by 10 is the how much answer? 6. Okay, good. Next is 10 divided by 10 is how much? 1. Okay, good. So that is how the answers will be, isn't it? So here everyone switch on the mic, it will be proper. Okay, switch off the mic. Okay, so this is how you have to do. So next roll numbers from how much? That is here we have less time, we will go to the next. These are easy questions, direct. So these will be what already we have solved. The students who did not do, they have to do this as a homework. What you have to do? They have to do it as a homework. Okay, the students who has completed, fine. Yes, till here till 20. Okay, till this. Okay, good. So next questions. Okay, it will be lots of time. Done. Okay. I will send it the video also. Okay, so next is little more. Okay, what is there? Little more here. So here if you see, I will be directly going to the higher number of questions. Okay, so here if you see here, so now 10 is done, right? How many roll numbers are done? 10 roll numbers, isn't it? So here roll number 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. So how we have to do is, should I explain this question or will you be able to do? So I will explain. See here. So it is easy, right? 2 here, what you have to do? So 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4 first, and 3 is there, right? 2 how many? 2 threes are 6. Answer will be 23 here, like that. Here if you see 2 how many is? 2 6 are 2 8s are how much? Here 16. 2 8s is how much? First you divide with 16, and then 2 how many is 2? Yes, 2 2s are 4, and 2 how many is 8? 2 4s are 8. So answer will be how much here? 824. So that is how we have to do one by one. What you have to do? We have to do one by one. Will everyone be able to do like that? Yes. Okay. So from roll number 11, be ready, solve and be ready. Okay, I will give 2 minutes. It is little bigger questions. I will give 2 minutes. Do it. So roll number 11. Are you ready? Ha, Chanvir. Okay. Okay, good. Okay. I will tell. Wait. So roll number 11. Chanvir. So what is the answer for first? Tell the answer directly. Tell the answers. 93. Next answer. Good. Next answer. Next. So good. Next is 1231. Very good. So explain these two questions. How did you do? Underlined ones. So that is the answer. 231. Very good. Next question. Next is so 531. Very good. Next, rule number 12. Aradhna. Tell the answers. Good. Good. 4 to 1. Very good. That is correct. Okay. So explain these two questions. Hmm. 24s. We should go one by one. 4 how many is 8? 4 2s is 0 now. 4 how many is 0? So that is why 4 20s you can take, but 4 zeros we have to remember. It will help. Okay. Good. That is why I took this question. Yes, everyone remember 4 zeros is 0 only, right? So next question, explain. Huh? Very good. Okay, good. Next, 13. Samanvita Reddy. Tell the answers. Very good. So explain these two questions. That is 711. Good. Next. Yes, very good. Okay, good. So 14, rule number 14. Adya Maripadu. 14. Tell the answers. 61. 902. These are little different now, right? Okay, 803. Very good. 501. 1008. Not 1008. Yes, 1008 answer. Okay, very good. Okay, so were you there, beta, when I explained the division? Yes, last class. That is why you are able to do. From here, these questions are little changed. Okay, isn't it? So see here. Explain these two questions. How did you do? 6 1s are 6. Next. uh, that is smaller, right? 1 is smaller, so 6 zeros are 1 will be remaining. Next is 12, so 6 how many is very good. Okay, so everyone listen here. So when, if you see first at the starting, how much? 6 nines are 54. 54 is gone. After that what is there? 1 is there. 1 is what? Smaller. If it is smaller, 0 we have to give, that is 6 zeros are. So 1 is remaining, that it will become 12, right? So 6 how many is 12? 0 we have to give it here like that only. 6 how many is 12? 6 2s are 12. So answer will be how much? 902. Okay, good. Next question, explain it better. Huh? 0. Next, x 6 3s are 18, that is 803. So did everyone understood this? When the 0 will come, it is smaller. Okay, any doubt for anyone? No doubts? So when the 0 will come, you have to remember, don't make mistakes. Okay, understand? Okay, good. So I will explain this question once again. Okay, so here if you see 6 ones is 6, 0 is there, 6 zeros are 0. Now 4 is smaller. What? 4 is smaller. What we have to do? Zeros we have to take, and now it will become how much? 48. 6 how many is 48? 6 how many are 48? 6 8s are 48. So answer is 1008. That is correct. Understand? Okay, good. That is how you have to do. So next, rule number 15. Chinmay, 15. Are you able to do that 15th question, 15th row? Tell the answers. Hmm. Hmm. Good. Next. 8 not 8. Okay, very good. So explain these two questions. How did you do? Hmm. 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 Very good. Next question. Hmm. Yes, very good. Understand everyone? Any doubt in this? No doubts? Okay, good. So next questions from how much? That is from 16 table. That is 16, right? 16, 17, 18. Okay. So we will finish it off today. After that 19 and 20. Okay. Yes. Little bit difficult, but you can do. If you get doubts, you ask me. Okay. Got it? So 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Okay. Yes, 18th. Yeah, maybe. Is it? Okay, good. Yeah, these are all what? Yeah, direct, simple questions, right? That is how we have to learn. Once you learn, you go have to move to the difficult question, right? Okay, good. So do it. I will give 2 minutes. Be ready. So rule number 18, Ritvik, solve the question. Hmm. 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 good. So how did you do explain these two questions? Yes, who is speaking that in between? Everyone, switch off the mic, switch off your mics. Okay, everyone has to do these questions. Okay, I am not giving only to them, they get the chance to explain, but everyone has to write it down. Okay, so and one more thing is, don't speak the don't speak in between, don't keep the mic on. Okay, when you want to speak, you switch on the mic. Okay, it will be disturbing for others, as I understand. So Ritvik, explain, switch on the mic and explain. Hmm. 10 6 next. Ha. Ha. Next is 8 10 8 okay, very good. So one more I told, right? What did I tell? What you have to do? You have to cancel the zero. What you have to do? If you cancel 1 0 here, if you cancel 1 0, what will be remaining here? 608. So if you see the in the next question here, if you cancel 1 0 here, if you cancel 1 0, what is remaining? 1005. So like that, when there are zeros, what you have to do? You have to cancel them. What you have to do? You have to cancel them. Understand? Okay, good. Next, rule number 16. Tell the answers. Tell the answers. Tell the answers. Hmm. Hmm. Very good. No, no, no. 402 is correct, beta. That is smaller. We have to take 1 0 here. 1 is smaller, so 0 here. 4 8 8 4 32, and 0 means it is smaller. Next 16. 8 2 16. 402. Okay. Next question answer. 303, beta, not 33. Yes, we have to give 0 here. 8 3 is how much? 24. Next 2 is what? Smaller. So if it is smaller, what you have to do? Give 0. Next is 24 now. 8 how many is 24? 3 is understand? Like that. Huh? What? What happened? Okay. तिला का टच करलंस?
कशाला?
पण झाले. हिचं ह्याला का काढलंस रे? पण झालं बघ. What? Yeah, this is direct division only. Only we will do direct division. Okay, this is direct division only. Everywhere we will do direct division in the exam. Understand? Because it will save lots of time. Okay. So next answer, beta. Next answer. What is the next answer? Question answer. 910. Understand? Okay. Good. So explain these two questions. Explain these two questions. Hmm. 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 Hasini. Hmm. Hmm. Very good. So that is how you have to do. Okay, good, understood. So we'll move to the next student. Let it be. Okay, you have understood, isn't it? Next 17. 17 is Harini. Harini, are you there? Harini is not there. Okay. 19. 19. Yashashvi is also not there. Okay. 20. Tell the answers. For which question? Hmm. Yes, tell me. ಹೇಳು ಏನಾಯ್ತು? Is it audible? Who is that? What happened to you? The first question is next. Huh? 101 answer. Huh? What? Which roll number you are? Which question you did you solve? 19. Okay, good. Huh? So 19, right? First answer is 501, not 5101. 501. 501. Okay. Are you able to do it? Did you understand this? Next question. Tell me then. Next. Next answer is how much? So did you solve beta? Did you solve? That is roll number 19. Did you solve? Yashashvi, right? Okay, Yashashvi, I will explain once again. Listen here. So what we have to do here? We have to divide. So 11 ones are 11. Next 11 is there. 11, how many is 11 beta? Yes? 11 ones are 11. You wrote 11 ones are now 1 on the top. Next number. What is the next number? Tell me. Yes? Is 1. 1. Okay? So next number is 1. So is it smaller or bigger? If it is smaller, what you have to do? Yes. So 0 you write it then. Next. What it will become 11 now? So 11, how many is 11? 11 ones are 11. So what will be the answer here? Did you get the same answer to you? Did you get the same answer beta? Good. Next, tell me the fourth question answer. Yes, 609. That is correct. Got it now? Yes? Very good. Next question. One zero zero one zero. Okay. 10010. Okay. So no. 0 only. So explain how. Yes, 11 ones are 11. 11 ones are 11 now. Okay. Got it? So 0 is there next. 11, how many is 0 beta? 0 is so you go on that. Next is next one digit. So is it smaller or bigger? Smaller. So we have to give 0 here. So it will become how much? 11 now. 11, how many is 11? 11 ones are 11. Next 0 is there. 11, how many is 0? 11 zeros are. So what will be the answer? That is 10,010. 0. Okay. Good. Very good. Very good. So roll number 20. Roll number 20. Varun. Did you solve? Tell the answers. Good. Next. 308. Yes, very good. Next. Very good. Next. It is 0 not 109, 1009. Okay, I will explain that. Okay, don't worry, 1009 will come. Okay. So next, hmm, hmm, 101. How much? 10101. Okay, that is the answer. So here I will explain this question. Everyone listen here. So this. So if you see, 12 ones is how much? 12. 1 is now smaller. What you have to do? Tell me. 10. Now it will become how much? 10. So 10 is also smaller or bigger? Can't you see? Is it visible or not? Tell me. In the bottom, beta, it is visible in the bottom. See here. See here. Okay, this question I am explaining. Listen here. Okay, listen here. Be silent now. Beta. Be silent. Okay. So I will switch off the mic. Everyone's mic. Okay. Fine. Be silent. Listen now. So here. So see here. What? So 12 ones are how much? 12 here. So after that, next number is 1. So it is smaller. So what you have to do if it is smaller? 0 we have to take. Okay. So what you have to take? You have to take the 0 here. What happened to this? Laptop got stuck. Wait a minute. So here 1 is smaller. So what you have to take? 0s are 0. Next, if you take the next digit, it is 10 now. 10 is also what? Smaller only. 10 is also smaller. So once again what you have to do? You have to give 0 here. Next, if you take 8, it will become 108. So now we can cancel that. 12 how many is 108? 12 nines are. Until and unless it is bigger, we have to go on taking zeros here. Here first 1 was there, isn't it? So 1 is smaller. What did we do? We took 0 here. Next we took here, it will become 10. Next digit if you take 10 is also smaller, we give 0 here. Next if you take 8, 12 nines are 8. So 1009 will be the answer. Understand everyone? Yes? Any doubt here? Will everyone be able to do like this? Tell me. Okay. Any doubts for this? No doubts? Will everyone be able to do direct division then? This is how the classes will run on regular basis. Now everyone will get the chance. So today 20 students got the chance, right? So daily 10 students will get the chance. Okay, how many students? 10 students. Okay, good, very good. So any doubt here? Tell me. Has everyone written all the questions? Okay, very good. So this is how what you have to do. You have to solve the questions. Okay, good. So everyone, thank you for watching and subscribe to our Azurite classes, and to join our classes you can call us on the given number.